ayikapheli league jo. Man, the only reason why angizo favor Chiefs mongangaya ama number ka sis Jessica. But ayikaba. Yabona sis Jessica mtawonga mapakani yani sis Jess dog. Sis Jess ngathi wameli jazz. Ala sister is mina ngamani kwata nginandaba. Mina ngithola no Jess ngamtshela ngathi are you Jess lo.
Jess.
Sis Jessica yo. Angazisola ukuthi bekenzani. Yo la sister kombona mara bro. All right. Like ngina funeral plan Chiefs for la sister too. Pekimphumula lo mntwana. Abo Pirates obviously the Pirates nomunye ugogo uthanda ukuhagana lapha. Akhage le gogo uthi singirata athi yena amathamba wahlangane. Wahlangana amathamba.
But Jess.
Hammer sis Jess. Angwasaba ubhutbaka ngibasaba ubhutbaka ngithi omunye lo bani ukheza upo anginandaba nalo omunye omncane ubani Kaizer Junior. Le sister futhi angeke ngenze vokal yamntwana. Jess. Sis Jess mina ngamtshela amanye amagama ngamvusa ebusuku ngo2 ngikhala athini ngithi ngiyakuthanda. Ngamvusa ngo2 ekseni ngiyakuthanda George. Manje ukhala nento yasilale ke. Jess. Jess mina bangahlamba yabona Jess masingahlamba this Saturday. Next week Saturday u7 days pregnant angidlali no Jess. Jess uyamazi Jess asikhulumi nanoma alela asikhulumi ngabokarabo baku generations abafuna amadoda ayi2 sikhuluma ngoJess. Because abathi Jess uyajola wena. Hayi jola sister imele mina. So sis Jessica if you're listening my numbers are 082 Jess. La sister Bobinho. Lalela mina ngamane ngabasupport abantwana bami as long as ngijona no Jess. Chiefs isabanika ama t-shirt babe right. Jess dog. Ngamane ngimposte njengombalula poste le yanto ngithi Jess. Jessica. Ngiyamthanda le mntwana.
#Jess
dog. Ngicela manje sis Jessica ukuthi kunomuntu okuthiwa usikhumba. iPirates ngiyayeka. For Jess. Jess. Sis Jess too. Futhi ujwayele lezi azidla ama prawns, ama asparagus, zidla ama salads for no reason, ama cappuccino,
cream cheese.
Uzobahamba nami. Sidla noma yini as long as ngino Jess. Thanda Jess dog. Jessica. Yo, la mntwana ngamane ngiboshe serious hayi.
As long as
la mntwana ngambona ku-Boyz II Men. Ngalokho ngimbhenga ngathi I'll make love to you. And bengimina ke. Long phuma nendeni thank you. Sis #Jess. Ngamenza ama prawns mina ngamenza prawn. Yo Jess yo.
So
just try labo mayimani babhizi ngesilungu hayi la kimi sikhuluma isizotsi and yabona ujayele ukukhuluma isilungu ngene ngithi hey baby manje ngimkwatela ngimbizi Jess ngithi Jessica ngilalela Jessica. Jessica uzongidina ke indaba yabo musi uzongidina athi okay sorry baby it's fine Jess it's fine. #Jess. Jess like banobiza ngepatient ungathi Jess ngathi bizi Jess Jess stop.
JESS.
Good luck to Chiefs of it as long as Jess. I'll be right. Young intenzo Jess happy right.
It's okay.
Abo Floyd Mbele nalo fishane baye.
Kaya FM listeners key tour to the French